Ladies and gentlemen, welcome into today's video. It's your boy Big underscore Birdie 44. In today's video, we are starting up a pressure washer business, guys. We don't have our property yet for our business, but this is what hole we're starting off with here, guys. Hopefully, we can make a bit of money doing some washing business. We do have a customer we do have to go to. We will show you guys here on the map where we're going. We are going all the way down here to this property right here. We do have a few machines they want us to wash here, guys. And that's what we're going to do. We mostly they want all of their machines washed. But we'll see what we can do. Hopefully we can get enough money to build our own business for our pressure washing business. There we go, guys. Nice little area, guys, down on this map. We are on let's see if we can find the map here. I can't find the name of the map, but we'll figure that out later on. I think we did take the wrong turn here, it looks like. Yeah, we did take the wrong turn. We're going to just back this one up here, guys. We took a little bit of a wrong turn here. We'll get back on track. We will have to go down this road here. Just need them. Oh, and we are knocking down some signs. We'll be right back when we get to. Here we go, guys. We'll be back when we get to the property. Okay, guys, we are about to pull up to the property here, guys. This is their little property here. It's a nice looking area. Looks like they do have a little truck for us to wash, and they want the combine washed. And I think there's a couple of vehicles on the hill part there, but let's get everything unhooked. And then we will get started. I don't know how we're going to put this back on to the thing there, but and, oh, whoa, okay, we got that off and ready to go. Okay, let's start washing the vehicles. I don't know how much this is going to give us. This is Walter's farm here, guys. I'm not sure how much he'll give us here. We'll see. Hopefully he gets us a bit. He might have other jobs for us to do. There's that done. Now we have this cute little truck to do. I'll get that done for Walter. That'll clean up, make that look nice and shabby for him. License plate is a little dirty there, guys. Now we have the combine to do, and we have to move that over here, guys. Move that right over here. I'm surprised he doesn't have the header on the trailer part. I think that might need washed too, he said, but we'll get that figured out here. Hopefully we can get a few more clients that we want to get here. Make sure Windows is a little dirty. The neat looking combine he has. It's an order type combine. And that should be good right there. Now let's go do the header part on here. And then we'll go up the hill here. Get this trailer done. And there we go. We'll be back when we get on top of the hill there. And we're back, guys. We are on top of where we have to go. We only have this to clean here, guys. I've got a couple attachments to clean and a couple more machines. There's that, guys. Now we have this to spray down. Then we got that there and two machines there to get this done. It's just a little heavy to push around here, guys. It's a bit too heavy. But we're almost done. Get this done here. Get all of this all cleaned up, and that should be good for that. Now we got two machines left over here, guys. And before we do check it, we're going to make sure if it does need cleaning. It looks like it does. And we'll... I don't know how we're going to do this. Oh, we got it. We got it. It's not too big of a machine. Give it a good old spray over on this side, and we got one more machine to do for Walter here, and then that should be able. Just got the rice patty machines to do. Here, guys. I don't even know if we have a field for if he has a field for this. Yeah, he might get me to do some work with by helping him with a few things, but that'll be in a later video here, guys. And that's gonna about do it here, guys. If you guys like more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.